everyone, it's the vegan foodie here. So listen, I'm sitting at my office getting ready to edit a clip for you guys that I absolutely am so excited about, because for those who don't know, who haven't been following me on social media, been watching my videos on YouTube, I've been in Nigeria and I've been doing this whole vegan Nigerian Naija vegan experience. And so my bae has been taking me to all these different restaurants, and I found a dish that I absolutely love, which is moi moi. So he's going to, well, not he's going to because he made it, but he made me some moi moi and we documented it all. So check this clip out, because this is like organically how you make moi moi in Nigeria. And I'm super excited about this video and super excited about learning these different recipes and bringing it to you all. So make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and make sure you follow me on all social media platforms. But listen, I know I'm talking and y'all ready to see, so here we go. Go ahead. The more onions, the better. It smells good already with the garlic. Moi moi, here we come, baby. Mama coming for you. Homemade moi moi too. What you know about that?
I'm trying to look for a spoon or something.
Okay, here. Yum, 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 and my motherfucking tongue. I'm so excited. All of this moi moi just for me. And I want to eat it now.
That's... It's not super raw. To be sure that it's not thick.
It's not thick, babe.
It's not thick, right?
You put the seasoning in it yet?
No, not yet. No salt, nothing.
Like, hold up, Chief.
Okay, show me the seasoning. Which one do you... I don't want it to be too much.
Okay, yeah, that's enough.
You think I was going to put too much salt?
How you know?
No, it's not. It's never going to taste nice.
It's literally like black-eyed pea pudding. That I'm getting nice and splashed with.
I want it to get in there very well, like I want it to get mixed.
The vegetable oil bag, not that one.
You said we were using the two, Penny.
No, we said we was using that one instead because the palm oil might overpower the taste. Or just do a little palm oil and a little vegetable oil.
Now you want the two.
Yeah. You the chef. I'm just the photographer. Who is a taste tester.
But if I'm gonna use this thing for akara, then I have to pour out. I have to divide it. Make more than 4 of the part. So hot.
Ladies and gentlemen, it ain't pretty, but it's good as fuck because I tasted it. We have moi moi. Yay! Next time we're going to try it with the leaves in a bigger bag, but this is so good. I can't wait to put everything else on the plate and eat our moi moi. Okay, so moi moi 2.0. That first moi moi, you guessed it, was a bit salty, but babe redid it. So you ready to try it, babe?
You try it.
Okay, I'm about to try it. Okay, y'all. So, I'm about to try this moi moi live on camera. See what my baby did. It's not as salty. Though it is salty, but it's not as salty. It's not bad. It tastes like Moi Moi. Complete. The consistency is right. It's hot. So, if you never had Moi Moi before, it's like a black eyed pea pudding. It's a very intricate thing to make, but baby, you did a good job. Thank you. Now, minus the salt, life's great, and I feel like I don't have to eat Moi Moi in the street no more. Because my man made it. You want to try it? You want to taste your creation? It's still a little puddingly, a little soft, but I feel like,
because it's
yeah,
firm.
firm. You cook like somebody's big booty grandma. That's what you put so much salt in and taste it. It's good though. I'm happy. So, 2 times I took a look at it, but we got it. My baby is officially the Moi Moi Pepper King. So let me finish eating my Moi Moi. I'll holler at y'all later. Don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram at Naija and the Vegan and the Vegan Foodie. We out. Peace.